Hey y'all, welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at the unboxing of the Insta360 One X2 camera, and this also I ordered the motorcycle bundle as well, so let's get into it. The size of the box is 30 by 13 by 23 cm, which translates to 12 by 5 by 9 inches, just in case anyone's wondering what the size of the box is. It was a quick delivery. Delivered to me by FedEx shortly after I ordered it. So let's get into it. So here we have the camera. Um, it has some weight to it. It's nicely packaged. It's shrink wrapped. It has images on the side and on the back of what's in the package, plus some features that the camera has. So before you open it, you could know a little bit of what to expect, right? So that's the camera. Next up, we have the USB, not USB, the SD memory card. That's a 64 gig, also from Insta360. Next, we have the invisible selfie stick. This helps you to, get great shots, being able to hold the camera at a distance and not capturing the selfie stick in the shot. So that will come in handy. Next up, let's see what we have here. Okay, next up we have the lens cap. This helps to protect the lens when the camera is not in use. So you could just, pop it over the top of the camera, because the lens kind of bulge out a bit, so you want to make sure you protect that so that it doesn't get damaged. So yeah, here we have the lens cap. What's next? Please like and comment and share, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions about anything here, and I'll definitely answer you. Here we have the lens guard, which is different from the lens cap. So the lens guard is a clear, contoured glass that goes over the lens. So in case the camera, should fall or something, the lens guard will get damaged and not the actual lens. So the lens guard comes in handy. Here we have the motorcycle mount bundle. Again, this is the additional package that I ordered when I ordered the camera, and that came along with the free SD card, and the selfie stick was included, and I got the lens guard as a free gift because of this purchase. Sorry. So can't wait to open these boxes and see what's going on. So this is part 1 of a part 2 video. So those are the contents of the box. It was neatly packaged, pretty light, but the items do feel a bit sturdy, like they have some weight to them, like they'll definitely be durable items inside once you open it. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Nope. That's it. So you only get what you pay for. You only get what you order. So thanks for watching my video, guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you have questions about anything you see here, definitely let me know and I'll follow up with you. Have a good one.